Arlen, can I tell you something crazy?
Oh no, morning already sounds crazy. Tell me.
I met someone who said their morning routine changed their whole life.
Their whole life? Just from morning?
Yes, and today we talk about how a good morning can change your life too.
Welcome to today's episode. Let's talk about a morning routine.
Hi, Arlen.
Hi, Leora.
And hi to all our amazing English learners.
Welcome to the English Leap podcast, the podcast that helps you grow in English and in life.
Here you can relax,
You can listen slowly,
you can learn without stress.
and you can improve a little bit every day.
Today's topic is a big one, morning routines.
Simple English.
Easy conversation.
Real-life examples.
And a warm, friendly style, as always.
So please, like, subscribe, and share. It really helps our podcast grow.
Okay, Arlen, ready to jump in?
Always ready.
So, Arlen, let me tell you a small story.
Ooh, story time. I'm ready.
A few months ago, I met a girl named Amelia.
Nice name.
Yes, she was always tired, always stressed, always late.
Sounds like half the planet.
True.
What was her problem?
She said every morning felt like a disaster.
Morning disasters. I know that feeling.
She woke up late.
Same.
She checked her phone first thing.
Same.
She scrolled social media for 20 minutes.
Same.
She rushed to get ready.
Same.
She skipped breakfast.
Same.
She left home stressed, angry, and confused.
Okay. Yes, that is definitely me.
So one day she said, "My life feels messy."
And mornings were the reason.
Exactly.
So what happened next?
She met a woman, an old neighbor, who said something powerful.
Uh-oh. Another wise old person.
Yes.
I love wise old people. Every story needs one.
She said, "Fix your morning, and your life will follow."
Wow.
She said it again. Your morning creates your day. Your day creates your life.
That is beautiful.
Yes, and Amelia listens. She said, "Okay, I will try."
What does she try?
The neighbor gave her a simple routine.
Tell me.
Wake up, drink water, stretch, breathe, avoid the phone, light breakfast, small plan.
That sounds doable.
It is.
So did it work?
The first day,
Yes.
she hated it. She said waking up early felt like torture.
Same.
She said stretching felt useless.
Same.
She said water tasted boring.
Same.
But she continued.
That's the key.
After 1 week, she felt different.
How?
Calm,
Nice.
more energy,
Great.
more organized.
Even better.
After 1 month,
Tell me.
she said, "I don't feel lost anymore."
Wow.
She said, "My morning became my anchor."
That is such a good line.
Yes, and the neighbor said, "Your habits build your future."
She is like the grandmother of wisdom.
Yes,
So Amelia's life changed.
completely.
Just from mornings?
Yes, because mornings are the first chapter of your day.
And a good first chapter creates a good story.
Exactly.
Okay, Leora, your story was beautiful.
Thank you.
Now, I want to share something embarrassing.
I'm ready.
One time, I woke up late.
Okay.
I had a meeting at 9 a.m.
And?
I woke up at 8:57.
What?
Yes,
Oh, no.
I jumped out of bed like a cat seeing water. My hair was crazy.
I can imagine.
I looked in the mirror and said, "Who is this wild animal?" I sat for the meeting. My camera turned on by accident.
No.
Yes.
Oh, no.
And everyone said, "Arlen, are you okay?"
I would cry.
I almost did. Since that day, I promised myself no more chaotic mornings.
So you made a morning routine.
Yes, a simple one.
Tell us.
Wake up, water, stretch, no phone, deep breath, open window, smile.
You smile in the morning?
Yes, a forced smile.
A morning routine means the things you do every morning.
Example. My morning routine helps me stay calm.
So, Leora, we talked about Amelia's story in part 1,
Yes, and I loved sharing that.
but now I want your story.
Oh boy. Okay,
Tell us about your own morning routine.
fine. I'll be honest.
Good. Honesty is the heart of podcasts.
Well, a few years ago, I had terrible mornings.
Really? You look like a perfect morning person.
Whoa, no, not even close.
Tell me everything.
I woke up late every day.
Okay.
I looked at my phone first thing.
Same.
I checked messages.
Same.
I checked Instagram.
Same.
And suddenly, 30 minutes were gone.
That is the social media black hole.
Yes, a time-eating monster.
Exactly.
Then I rushed to get ready and left home stressed.
This sounds familiar.
I was exhausted before the day even started.
Yes, mornings set the mood.
One day I said, enough. This is not a life.
And?
I found a book called Your Morning Wins Your Day.
Nice title.
I don't know if the book changed me or if I changed me,
That is deep.
but I decided to try a new morning routine for just 7 days.
And?
The first day, I hated it.
This is exactly like Amelia.
Yes.
What did you change?
I woke up 20 minutes earlier.
Hard.
I drank water.
Harder.
I stretched.
Impossible.
I stayed away from my phone.
Okay, now that's just torture.
And I wrote one small plan on paper.
What kind of plan?
3 things. 1 important task, 1 small habit, 1 positive thought.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Yes.
Did you notice a difference?
On day 1?
Yes.
No. But on day 3, something changed.
Ooh, tell me.
I felt calm.
That's progress.
Yes. My mind wasn't running like a crazy hamster. I felt more in control.
This is powerful.
And on day 7, I felt proud
Why?
because I didn't give up.
That's the magic.
Yes, a good morning routine gives you something rare,
What?
self-respect.
Wow.
It makes you say, I can take care of myself.
That is life-changing.
Yes, and here's the secret.
Tell us.
A morning routine doesn't have to be big.
Yes.
It just needs to be yours.
Beautiful.
And small.
Manageable.
And repeatable.
Consistent.
Exactly.
Now, my turn.
Yes.
One time I watched a video called How to Wake Up at 4 a.m.
No, stop.
Yes.
Arlen, why?
I thought, imagine how much work I will get done.
And?
I set my alarm for 4 a.m.
Oh dear.
The alarm rang.
And?
I woke up.
Good start.
I stood up.
Nice.
I walked to my living room.
Okay.
And I fell asleep on the couch. I woke up at 8 a.m.
This story deserves an award.
My miracle morning became a miracle nap.
I love this so much.
I realized something important.
And what is that?
You don't need extreme mornings. You need realistic mornings.
Say that again.
Don't try to be a superhero. Just be consistent.
Beautiful.
Small routines win.
Yes.
Not crazy 4 a.m. experiments.
Yes, please.
Leora, let's explain why mornings matter so much.
Yes, let's give our listeners the science and the emotion.
For me, a morning routine does 3 things.
What 3 things?
1, it makes your mind calm. 2, it gives you direction. 3,
It builds confidence.
Yes,
Confidence grows when you keep small promises to yourself.
exactly.
And morning routines are small promises.
Very true.
When you keep them, you feel strong.
Yes.
When you break them, you feel weak.
Yes. And that's why morning routines matter. They build inner strength,
Inner respect
inner order.
and outer success.
This is deep and true.
Self-respect means you value yourself. Repeat after me, self-respect.
Arlen, I think morning routines are not really about time.
Yes, they are about energy, intention, and love for yourself.
Exactly. Even one simple habit can change your day.
And when your days change, your life slowly changes too.
That's the magic. Small steps,
Small promises.
small moments of care.
And suddenly, you feel stronger inside.
Yes, inner strength, inner respect, inner peace.
Okay, friends, here is a quick review.
Number 1, your morning creates your day.
Number 2, small habits are powerful.
Number 3, be realistic, not extreme.
Number 4, be consistent.
Number 5, give yourself self-respect every morning. Say this with us, I can change my morning.
Now say, small steps are enough.
Great! Your English is growing. Your life is growing too.
Thank you for listening to the English Leap podcast.
We are proud of you, truly.
In the comments, tell us, what will you add to your morning routine?
One habit? One small step? Tell us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.